when you're recruiting for an optical technician, what does a typical resume look like? I mean, what are you looking for?
So that's a good question. When we were challenged with this growth, and something we've really probably been doing for about the last 6 or 7 years, is we've really been partnering with the local community colleges, Naugatuck Valley Community College, Housatonic Community College. They had the start of some of their advanced manufacturing technology programs where they're teaching the fundamentals of machining. You know, when you're looking at the workforce and you've got such a huge gap now, it's how do you close that gap, right? So you're faced with a lot of challenges and a lot of hurdles, right?
Right.
You've got to bring 125 people on. You've got to, how do I shrink the training curve down? Where do you find the skill sets? So by partnering with them, that actually helped us quite a bit with some of the processes that we use inside of optical fabrication. You know, when you're actually,
but are these 4-year? I mean, are these 4-year degree people you're looking for?
No, some of these were their 10-month programs, right?
Sure.
Where if they can master the fundamentals, then we can build upon the fundamentals.